Back out in the shop again. The Cobra here is running good. No problems. Even put a coat of wax on it the other day. So I got nothing left to do. So I'm going to see about putting a sniper fuel injection on it. While at the same time, I'll change the intake manifold back from the Performer RPM to the RPM air gap. They perform about the same, I guess, but the air gap looks cooler. I changed it because I was thinking I had a distribution problem, but it made no difference. So I've got this remote sump, Elderbrock. By using this, I can use my existing fuel system. The fuel pump here will pump into this. And then this unit will supply the 60 pounds of pressure for the sniper. And also have the return line just this far back to the unit here. That way I don't have to replumb the entire fuel system and figure out how to put a return into my custom home-built tank. And I bought the fuel line, the braided fuel line, when I built the car, which is I guess getting close to 10 years now. And I don't know if it was high pressure rated or not. And the hot rod shop that I had bought it from it no longer exists, so I can't ask. So we'll just go with this unit. It'll also make it easy if I have tremendous problems with the sniper. I can just throw the carburetor back on it, probably in about a half an hour. So the first thing I'm going to do, I think I'm going to mount it right about here. So my radiator overflow is interfering. I'm just going to take this and spin it around and put it over here. So I'll take care of that. And then I'll start mounting the remote sump and see what other things need to be done next before I incapacitate the car by pulling the manifold and starting the process. So here we go. And here's a neat little tool. It's a 1/4-20 drill bit tap assembly, I guess, all one piece. The drill is the size needed for the 1/4-20. And if the metal's not too thick or aluminum, you can just drill it and tap it all with the same motion, especially if you use a little tapping fluid. I've known about that that it existed for years and years and years, but I've never had bought any. Boy, I wish I'd bought some. It sure makes tapping nice. It's so much better than WD-40 or regular oil. And the only problem I had here is the angle drill I'm using did not have a reverse, and I don't have the proper chuck key, so it was a bit fiddly trying to get the tap out of my drill, or get the drill off the tap so that I could remove it. But it all came out okay. And got the bracket all put in, got the overflow bottle moved around, and there's even enough hose that it still fit. I may put a longer one on later, but we'll see how it does later. So we're on to trying to find the proper location for the sump. The sump has 3 mounting bolts, so the one in the middle, I'm going to use a piece of this 1/4" aluminum, 1/4" thick aluminum, and make me a vertical bracket so I can drill a hole and mount that 3rd bolt. So that angle drill is nice when you need it, but awkward to use. So same process here, only I'm going to drill the hole with the regular drill and tap it by hand. Full disclosure here, after moving the template 3 or 4 times and then actually using an existing hole that was from the overflow bottle, my bracket that I had made, the first one, it was a 1/2 inch too short. It was going to drill into the edges of the square tubing, which I didn't really want to do, and it's a lot thicker there. So after fiddling with this for a while, I ended up making a new one 1/2 inch longer, but putting it in the same place. And this is the end of day one. This is the new longer bracket. Got it attached at the top, located here at the bottom, and just need to drill and tap that hole, and then we'll locate the mounting or location for the third bolt. So that's it for day one, and once again, thanks for watching. See you on day two.